Let's look at how we can draw a word cloud after conducting thematic analysis in NVivo. I have my data which I analyzed through the Brown and Clark 6 steps of doing thematic analysis, and I've already connected the themes to the research questions. I have codes, I have everything. So how can I draw a word cloud or develop a word cloud? It's simple. I open my themes. Let's say I want to draw the word cloud for this theme called Effective Leadership Strategies and Techniques Used in Foreign Classroom Settings. I just right click on that and go and select visualize, then go and select word cloud. Now here we have the word cloud, and that's how NVivo gives us the word cloud. You can use it as it is, but let's say there are words you don't like. Let's say I want to do away with the word clear. I select the word, click on it, then right click, then I go to add to stop words list. I click OK. Let's say I want to deal with the word also. Add to stop words list. I click on it, right click, add to stop words list. Let's say I don't like the word now, so add to stop words list, click OK. Let's say I don't like the word still, add to stop words list, click OK. Let's say I don't like the word, one final example, which word don't we like? Using, add to stop words list, click OK. Once we add those words to stop word list by selecting them and right clicking, we go here and click run query. So we run the word cloud query again, and we give it time, and then we see the results. If you look at the word cloud now, you will not find the words that we removed. So all the words like will that we were adding to the stop word lists are now gone. Now we have a clean word cloud, and now we can go to right click, export word cloud, and we can save this. So this is the word cloud we just saved. You can see I exported it in JPEG format. It means I can drag and drop this into my findings report and use this in my work. So that's how we create word clouds after conducting thematic analysis in NVivo. Remember, if you are feeling stuck with your data analysis chapter, don't stress. I'm here to help. I offer done-for-you qualitative data analysis services using NVivo. My done-for-you service includes coding, theme development, and visualization. On the other hand, if you prefer to learn and do the analysis yourself, I provide one-on-one consulting where I'll guide you step by step on how to master NVivo in performing qualitative data analysis. Reach out right now. Check the description below for my email and link to my website. Thank you.